Too many pie plates look interchangeable. Start with the OXO. Its deep, clear glass and lid cover most baking and transport, unless ready-made crusts are your default. Choose by pie depth, crust visibility, and serving style. For most home bakers, get the OXO Good Grips Glass 9-pie plate with lid. Its deep shape handles standard pies and fuller recipes, while clear glass lets you follow the bottom crust. The wide rim gives decorative edges more room, and the lid simplifies storing or carrying dessert. But its roughly 2 inch depth and NEA or 9 inch interior can crowd ready-made crusts. It's also functional-looking glass that needs thoughtful handling. Skip it if table presentation matters most. For better oven-to-table presentation, choose the Emile Henry 9 inch pie dish. This deep ceramic option suits generous fruit fillings, detailed crust work, and bakers who want multiple color choices. It's also compatible with the broiler and dishwasher. The trade-off is higher cost, plus you can't inspect browning through ceramic. Shallow custard recipes may look sparse inside it, and baked-on fruit filling can add cleanup. Skip it if value or bottom crust visibility leads your decision. For shallow custard and cream pies, pick the Pyrex 9 inch pie plate. Its 1.5-inch profile better matches pumpkin, icebox, and diner-style pies, without making lower fillings look lost. Clear glass also keeps the bottom crust visible. But the 4 cup capacity won't suit deep fruit recipes, and the narrow rim limits elaborate crimping and oven mitt grip. It isn't intended for broiler use or abrupt freezer-to-oven changes. Skip it if generous filling capacity is essential. Quick split. OXO covers mixed baking and transport. Emile Henry favors deep fruit pies and polished serving. Pyrex fits shallow custard, cream, and icebox pies. Before buying, check your usual recipe depth, crust size, storage space, serving preference, and whether you rely on broiler finishing. If you're unsure, buy the OXO for its flexible depth, visible crust, and useful lid. Switch to Emile Henry for presentation, or Pyrex for consistently shallow pies. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.